Hello, book buddies. It's Miss Evelyn with another awesome story. Our story today is Don't Push the Button. The author and illustrator is Bill Cotter. Hi, I'm Larry. Welcome to my book. There's only one rule. Don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about pushing the button. See, there it is again. It does look very tempting, but don't push it. No matter what you think, don't push the button. Seriously, don't even think about pushing it. It does look pretty nice though. I wonder what would happen if we push the button. But we better not push it. Should we? Should we push the button? Oh, I want to push it so bad. No, we can't. We mustn't. Don't push the button. Hey, psst, nobody's looking. You should give the button one little push. Go ahead, push it. Push it. Uh-oh. Now I'm yellow. Push it again. Eek! Now I'm yellow and polka dot. Push it twice. Now there's two of me. Push it a whole bunch of times. Uh-oh. Now there's a whole room full of me. What am I going to do? Shake the book to get rid of all the extra Larrys. Shake it. Go ahead, shake it really hard. Shake it. Oh, let's see if that's going to help. Almost. Shake it a little more. Shake it. Shake it. Let's see if that helps get rid of all the extra Larrys. Okay, there we go. It says to scratch Larry's tummy to get him back to normal. That tickles. Okay, much better. Let's not push this button again. Let's never push that button again. But that was kind of fun. Maybe just a couple more pushes? No, Larry, we are not going to push that button again. Don't push the button, no matter what Larry says. And that's the end of our story for today, book buddies. Don't push the button. Don't forget to say your prayers and do your homework before you go to bed. Listen to mommy and daddy. Be nice to your brothers and sisters. Always say please and thank you. Do your homework and clean up after you make a mess. Be a friend and not a bully. And run, play, and jump outside. Don't forget to visit Miss Evelyn again for story time with Miss Evelyn. And if you like these stories, click on the thumbs up. You can always send me your comments at readtomed@gmail.com. See you next time on Storytime with Miss Evelyn. Bye-bye.